Good morning, class third. This is your computer class. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, Fun with Paint. Okay? In this chapter, we will be learn about working with paint tools, select rectangular selection, freeform selection, cut, copy, paste, rotate and flip, resize and skew, rulers and grid lines, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, now let's begin, students. Selecting a picture, the select part of the picture, follow these steps. Step 1, on the home tab, where you have to go? Home tab. In the image group, click the down arrow under select. Okay, do one of the following depending on what you want to select. Select a square or a rectangular part of the picture. Choose rectangular selections. Okay, drag the mouse to select the part of the picture. To select an irregularly shaped part of the picture, choose freeform selection. Drag the mouse to select the part of the picture. Okay, this is your home group. Go there and select the home tab and image. Okay, this is your rectangular selection and this is your freeform selection. This is your fun with paint. Okay, this is your paint window. Okay, you can select any color from here. You can select pictures from here. Okay, now copying and pasting a picture. The copy and paste command are useful if you have lines, shapes or text that you want to appear multiple times in your drawing. To copy a selected part of picture, follow these steps. Step 1. On the home tab, in the image group, click, select and drag the pointer to select the area or object you want to copy. Step 2. In the clipboard group, click copy. Step 3. Clipboard group, click paste. Okay, then your picture will be copy and then paste. Okay, copy and pasting a picture. Understood? You can see this is your copy. From here you can copy your picture and here you can use this option, paste option, and you can paste your picture here. Understood? Step 4, with the object stay selected, move it to a new place in your picture where you want the copy to appear. Okay, now cutting and pasting a picture. To cut a selected part of the picture and paste it in another part of your picture, follow these steps. Step 1, on the home tab, in the image group, click, select and drag the pointer to select the area or object you want to cut. Okay, now step 2, in the clipboard group, click cut. The part of the picture is stored in the temporary folder called clipboard. Okay, now step 3, in the clipboard group, click paste. With the picture still selected, move it to a new place in your picture where you want it to appear. Okay, now rotating a picture. To rotate or flip a picture, choose either of the following options. To rotate or flip the whole picture, follow these steps. Step 1, on the home tab, in the image group, click rotate. Okay, step 2, to rotate click the direction or angle of rotation. To flip, click flip vertical or flip horizontal. To rotate or part of a picture, select the part of the picture and follow the same steps. Step 1, you can select your picture, then you can rotate which you want. If you want vertically, you can rotate vertically. If you want horizontal, so horizontally you can rotate. 190 degree you can rotate, so your picture looks like that. 180 degree looks like that, and 90 degree again looks like that. Okay, now resizing a picture. You can resize the drawing by making it larger, wider, narrower using the resize option. You can also tilt or turn the drawing horizontally or vertically in an angled movement using the skew option. To resize or skew a picture, choose either of the following option. Step 1, on the home tab, in the image group, click resize. In the resize and skew dialog box, select the maintain aspect ratio. checkbox. Okay, this firstly you have to go in resize option, then maintain aspect ratio. Okay, resize and skew dialog box will be appear in front of you. Okay. Now step 3, to resize in the resize section, enter a new width in the horizontal box or new height in the vertical box. Okay. To skew in the new skew degree section, enter a new number in the horizontal and vertical boxes. Then you can click OK. Okay, friends. Now viewing a picture. The view tab has various options to view the picture. To zoom a drawing or a part of drawing, you can use the following option. First is magnifier tool in the home tab, a zoom in and zoom out option in view tab, a zoom slider present at right corner on status bar. Okay, this is your zoom in or zoom out option. Okay, you can zoom and zoom out your screen, and this is also zoom in, zoom out. And view tab you can open also view tab you can see this option. Okay, zoom in, zoom out, zoom slider, status bar. You can zoom your picture by zoom in, and you can zoom out your picture by zoom out option. Okay. Now rulers. To use a ruler, click the view tab. Where you have to click view tab. In the show or hide group, select rulers checkbox. The ruler will appear. The hide the rulers, clear the ruler checkbox. Okay. Now grid lines. Grid lines is like a graph sheet. It is used to make accurate drawing or to arrange a number of pictures. To show grid line, click the view tab in the show or hide group. Select the grid lines checkbox. Okay. To hide grid lines, clear the grid lines checkbox. Understood? Now full screen view. To view your picture full screen, on the view tab in the display group, click the full screen. Understood? Full screen. This is your full screen view. Okay. To exit full screen and go back to the paint window, click the picture and press ESC key. Which key you have to press? ESC key. Okay. Now printing a picture. To print your picture, follow this step. Click the file tab. Where you have to go? File tab. And select print option. Which option? Print option. Then print window will be appear in front of you. Okay. Now print dialog box will appear on the screen. Step 2, select a printer and number of copies you want. Okay. Step 3, click print. Now HP Laser printer name will be appear in front of you and copies number of copies, and then you can click print option. Okay. Now setting a drawing as a desktop background. Paint allows you to set your drawing as the desktop background of your computer. Okay. To do so, follow the steps. Step 1, open the desired drawing. Click file tab and select open. The open dialog box appears. Step 2, locate and select the drawing. The selected drawing appears on the screen, or click the file tab. Place the pointer on the set as desktop background option in the drop down list. In the right pane, choose one of the three options: fill, tile or center. Okay. Different image file formats. There are various types of image file format. Each file format results in a different size and quality. Paint programs support the following types of image file formats. Okay. First is BMP, full form bitmap image file. It is developed by Microsoft Corporation. Okay, who developed? Microsoft Corporation. It is compatible across the different devices. The file extension of a BMP is .bmp. It stores two-dimensional 2D digital images. The image files stored in BMP format are large in size and have rich image quality. Okay, these image files cannot be compressed. Okay, understood, student? Underline everyone this word. These files cannot be compressed. Okay, if they are resized and then they lost the picture quality. If you will be resized, then they will lose picture quality. Okay. Now JPEG. JPEG full form Joint Photographic Experts Group. Okay. It is the most commonly used image file format. The file extension of JPEG is .jpg or .jpeg. Okay. It supports around 16 million colors. How many colors? 16 million colors. It stores high quality images. These images can be compressed. Therefore, it saves a lot of storage space, but the picture quality gets affected. Okay. Now, GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. This file format is commonly used for creating short animations. The file extension of a GIF is .gif. The maximum color supported by GIF are only 256. The images stored in GIF file format are comparatively smaller in size. Okay, it is not an ideal format for photographic image. Understood, beta? Now, PNG file format. PNG full form Portable Network Graphics. This file format is designed to send images over the internet or web. Okay, it is designed only for internet or web. The file extension of PNG file is .png. Underline this word. It has the qualities of both GIF or JPG file formats. It can be compressed and edited without impacting the picture quality. Okay. It also supports a huge variety of colors. Understood? Now, saving files in different formats. You have learned how to save our drawing in Paint program. To save our drawing in different formats such as .bmp, .gif, .jpg, .png and so on, follow these steps. Step 1, click the File tab. Step 2, select the Save option or select the file format from the right pane. Okay, you can select from here File option, then you can select Save as option. Okay, and you can select from here File format. PNG, JPG, BMP, GIF, other file, which file format you want to select, then your picture will be saved. Okay, saving a file in a different file format. Now, step 3, the Save as dialog box appears. Okay, this is your Save as dialog box. It is appeared in front of you. Okay. Now, step 4, in the left pane, select the drive in which you want to save the file. Okay, step 5, enter a suitable name in the file name box. Step 6, in the Save as type box, click the drop down arrow. If the file format is not selected from the drop down list, select the file format. By default, the .png file type is selected. And then step 7, click Save. Your picture will be now saved. Okay, understood? From here you can select. Okay, this PC, then flowers in butterfly, then this is your PNG file format. Understood? Student, this chapter is finished. Now you have any type of query, you can ask to me. Okay, you can contact me by my phone number, by WhatsApp number. Okay, and your exercise and question answer I will provide you in PDFs. So then in your school apps, you have to all the exercise you have to write in your book, and all the question answer you have to write in your computer notebook copy. Okay, thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.